Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I felt like me a nice burger last night, Wednesday night. I decided I'm going to get me some stuff, make me a nice good cheeseburger. But I decided I was going to do something different. I was going to try it medium well. Got a friend that believes in medium well, so I'm going to try some new things in life. So I got me some 80-20 ground beef here, got me some sliced cheese. Got my nice good crinkle fries, and I got me some nice good soft sesame seed bun. And we're gonna go ahead and get this thing ready to go in the air fryer. I got me two nice patties made right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just season these bad boys up. I keep it simple with my seasonings. Normally just a little black pepper and salt on my burger. But I got my Uncle Steve beef shake, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that to it also, or cow powder I should say. So add a little black pepper and a little regular table salt to it. We'll come in and add some of that cow powder to the top. Alright. And press those seasonings into there and give that bad boy a flip. Let's go ahead and season this top side the same way. We're gonna get this thing ready to go inside our air fryer here. We're gonna see how this burger gonna come out in the air fryer. Alright, get some more of that cow powder on here, and then this thing is going to be ready to rock and roll, guys. It's going to take 20 minutes. My friend told me to set it for 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm going to do 20 minutes just to be on the safe side. I don't want anything still mooing over here. So I'm going to go 20 minutes with it. So once I got it season up, looking nice and good like that, just slide all of that stuff back. Get my air fryer ready right here. I'm gonna come in and put my burgers in. Alright, that's one of them, and they are gonna shrink a little bit, guys, so they might look really huge now, but they are gonna shrink a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna get them back inside of here. I'm gonna follow her instructions. 375. I'm gonna do 20 minutes on this. Bring my fry out a little bit more so you guys can kind of see it much better. Already have it on the air fryer setting. All I'm gonna have to do is click on meat right there. It's on 375 already. I'm just gonna drop that down to 20 minutes, and then at 10 minutes it'll let me know to flip it, and I'm gonna just flip it and put my cheese and everything on it, and I'll be back once it is completely done. Alright guys, I am back, and I put my cheese on for the last 1 minute of cooking time. I'm just waiting on that to be done here. I'll come out and pull this bad boy out. Get these done. Cheese isn't completely melted yet, but it'll get a chance to melt from that heat, that carryover heat of this burger. Just gonna go ahead and get those out of here. Put me in another rack and put me in some of my crinkle fries. See, the burger looks pretty good. Alright, so I'll get me some crinkle fries done. Not going to put you through that. Got my crinkle fries in there now, and I made me a little burger sauce, guys, with some mayonnaise, mustard, sweet relish, and ketchup. I'm just going to spread that on both sides of my buns here. both sides of my buns. Oh man, we gonna get that down. I started to do 2 burgers, and then at the last minute I decided to make it a double burger. Alright, so I got my sauce down here. I'm coming to just put my burgers on the top, and that's going to be it for the burgers, guys. Fries are going to be done in a couple minutes, so go ahead and get this together, cut it in half for presentation purposes. Then I'm going to take my thumbnails and my videos and come back and give it a taste test for you guys. My first time having my burger anything other than well done. We're going to try this medium well, see how it comes out. Alright guys, coming with a quick taste test here. Got my nice good double cheeseburger. And trying something new for the first time. I got a little medium well. I don't know. But in any case, we're going to go ahead and give that a try. Nice double burger right there. So got a little pink in it, but we're going to give it a try. See what it's going for. Alright, bottoms up. Okay. That's not half bad. Tell you the truth, it's seasoned so good. Little French fry. Seasoned so good that you can't even tell. Thick though, I wouldn't have doubled it up. Next time, I'll just make it a single burger. That's pretty good, guys. Guess you can add that to the book, so don't knock it until you try it. I'm not taking anything more undercooked than that, though. But that's pretty good. Alrighty, guys. So in my honest opinion, that wasn't bad at all. I would definitely cook it like that again. I don't have a problem with that. I can deal with that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also please subscribe to my channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I am going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a wonderful evening, guys.